What are you doing, Bug? What are you doing, Bug?
Tell him.
I'm listening. Go ahead. Give me what you got.
Hey, buddy. You see Gramps? Where's Gramps? Say hi, Gramps. Say hi. Say hi, Gramps. Tell her. Tell her where's the monkey. Where's? Yeah, just the word monkey. Yeah. Where's that monkey at? Where's Daddy, Tyler? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
He wants so much to turn.
Yeah, that's what they were saying earlier. Carol was saying it's frustrating. They want to.
You probably do everything early.
Oh, whoop-a-ba-da-ba.